In this video, we're going to explore output formatting. Output formatting is a powerful tool in prompt engineering that can help you generate AI responses in different formats. Sometimes in business, when we make a presentation, we might need information in bullet points. Or when you want to create a blog post, you might want to generate a long text, and there are other cases where you only need one sentence. So how can we control and achieve the desired output? It's all done through output formatting. Exciting news! Today's video is absolutely free. It's part of our comprehensive AI for Business course.
You heard it, the full course is available at aimarketingengineers.com. It includes over 35 lessons on AI for business.
Don't miss out. Check the link in the description to learn more about the full course.
Click that link and take your first step in mastering AI for business. It's time to accelerate your business with AI. So let's start with something creative. Say you want to create a small poem like a Japanese haiku to use in your marketing campaign. You could prompt AI with write a haiku about our eco-friendly product, Smart Life Enhancer Pro.
That sounds fun. And if you want a longer poem, you can specify that in your prompt. For example, compose a 12-line poem celebrating a company's anniversary.
Great. Now let's say you need to write a product description. You might want an output in a paragraph form. Your prompt could be write a detailed paragraph describing the features of our new product.
Looks good. But what if you want the product features in bullet points instead? Just ask for it. Your prompt could be list the features of our new product in bullet points.
Oh, I like bullet points. They are very useful, especially for presentations. And if you're dealing with data, a table might be the best format for you. You could prompt AI with convert data to a table view.
Finally, if you need a longer piece of content like a blog post or an article, you can specify the length in your prompt. For example, write a 500-word article discussing the benefits of using our services.
So, as you can see, by specifying the output format in your prompts, you can generate a wide range of responses that suit your specific business needs.
With output formatting, you can create a variety of outputs such as brand story, tutorial, format as code like HTML or JSON, email, FAQ format, quiz format, and the possibilities are endless here. And that's the power of output format in prompt engineering. It's a simple yet powerful tool that can help you communicate more effectively in your business.